Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking honey sriracha chicken wings to the next level. I am showing you guys how to make this in the oven. Can be made in the air fryer as well, but today it's gonna be done in the oven, nice and crispy. If you're interested, keep on watching, like if you enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, before I begin, all of the ingredients for this recipe will be found in the description box below. I am starting with a little bit under 2 pounds of chicken wings, nice and clean already. I am going to cut them on camera for you guys because why not? And yeah. Now that we got that out of the way, we're going to start seasoning. Before we start seasoning, make sure to pat dry your chicken with a napkin. You don't want any water, you don't want any moisture. Well, there will be some type of moisture, but you don't want it to be wet so it doesn't boil in the oven, because this is going to be a crispy oven baked chicken wing. So yeah. Once you're done patting it dry, you are going to grab some olive oil or any type of oil. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons, just drizzle it on there, mix it up, and then we're ready to season. For the seasoning, I'm using onion and garlic powder, paprika, parsley, ground black pepper, as well as some seasoned salt. Mix that together and we're going to gently sprinkle it all over the chicken. Now we want the wings to be nice and extra crispy. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle some cornstarch on there. You know, cornstarch always makes everything crispy, especially when you're frying or baking. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on there, mix it up, make sure it's all over the wings. Then we're going to get ready to bake. I'm going to grab my oven rack. Make sure it's on a rack because you don't want the wings to be sitting in the water. It's not going to be crispy. So I am going to place them far apart from each other. I don't want them to be touching each other. Okay, I know I started kind of I'm like, no, I need some space, so let me get 2 racks and place them on there and bake them. Now we're going to bake these on 400 for 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes later. They're nice and beautiful, not crispy yet, we're getting there. Okay, so I'm going to flip them over. Once I am done flipping them over, I am going to put them back in the oven on 400 again for another 20 to 30 minutes until they're crispy to my liking. While they're baking, we're going to get ready to make the sauce. So here's how to make the honey sriracha sauce. I added 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to a skillet. Once melted, we're going in with about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You're going to cook that for 30 seconds or until fragrance, okay? Next, you are going to add your sriracha. Yes, add that in. Next, we're going to add some honey. Next, we're going to add some brown sugar. Oh yes, this is going to be so good. And then you can't forget the soy sauce. I'm telling you, this sauce is going to be the next level sauce, okay? And this right here is some rice wine vinegar. Pour that in. Yep. And we also have some cornstarch to make this nice and thick, okay? Pour a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it up, pour it in there. As you can see, as I'm pouring, I'm mixing, I'm stirring. okay? Do it just like that. Once you are done, let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is basically your sauce, okay? And this is bomb. This is delish. Now that our sauce is done, set it aside. Moving on. Here are the wings, absolutely crispy and crunchy. Only if you guys can hear how crispy these are. Absolutely crispy. And of course, they're delicious. It's golden brown. It's beautiful. It's how we want it, okay? Now I'm going to grab a bowl. Make sure it's large enough for you to toss the wings in. I am going to place the wings in there. Once I'm done, I'm going to pour that amazing sauce on top. Okay, now we're ready to pour in the sauce. So I'm going to grab my sauce, pour it all over the wings. And one tip I will give you, as soon as you pour that sauce on your wings, you need to eat it ASAP. Okay, because you don't want your wings to get soggy. You want to eat it while it's nice and crispy. Okay, give that a nice toss. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Let me know down below. You know, I have to ask, okay? I have to ask. Let me know down below. Do you like flats or do you like the drums? For me, I like the flats. But I know some people said there's more meat on the drums. However, I agree, okay? But I feel like the flats has more flavor. Maybe it's just me. Let me know. But anyways, once I'm done, I am going to garnish with some fresh parsley, lemon. Don't know why, it just looked beautiful with the lemons. And yeah, some lemon slices make everything look good and delish. Hopefully you give it a try for yourself. This is actually my husband's favorite wings flavor, honey sriracha. He loves it. And of course, left no crumbs because it was delish. A 10 out of 10 appetizer dish, whatever you want to call it. Let me know if you're going to try this out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I will see you beautiful people on the next recipe. Bye guys.